using Renee's expertise as a fashion designer and her expertise in working with different fabrics and textiles, and we will be building over the course of the next few months a student designed installation piece. All of the fabrics that will be used and that will be repurposed for this installation will be recycled fabrics that we are then able to guarantee do not become a part of the landfill here in Hong Kong. So we have an opportunity to teach our students a couple of different things. One, about the sustainability and the problems that Hong Kong has with textile art and with textiles in general, and at the same time we're going to be able to do a very interactive art piece.
This project is about art, tradition, and sustainability.
This project is really cool, and how I loom it up and down, and I just really enjoy this project a lot.
I have an interest in art, and I thought this was a great way to combine sustainability and visual arts.
I'm very excited to see how it turns out.
令我回憶翻咧，我細個咧同媽媽一齊喺度織嘢啦。
咁我哋應該再思考一次我哋購物嘅模式。
You can see how everybody does something with their own hands and not just buys.
And it's very beautiful, and if you can see, it's very useful, all the old fabrics that you can do.
Encouraging the students to make use of these materials and be very creative, and you can make all kinds of things, rugs and hats, and it's only limited by your imagination what you can make.
Where we can recycle cloth and give it a new life so that, you know, it doesn't all end up in the landfill. And with this new piece of art, I'm sure we can turn it into practical gifts or beautiful wall hangings. So many beautiful things that we can do. Being a part of ISF Academy is truly a great experience. Thank you.